Hello everyone, welcome back to that Cyber Guy. So today we are going to show you how to download Terraform for Windows very quickly. So Terraform is infrastructure as code. It allows you to just have template and standards to create resources. So it is very useful. So if you're on a Mac, you can actually use this. Windows, you can actually use this one, and then Linux. As you can see, we have two versions, 386 for Windows 32-bit. So I am using a Windows 64. I'm going to click on this one. And then I'm going to choose my location, download, and then save. Now, once the download is complete, I can just click on the folder where the download is. As you can see, it is here. But there's one thing I need to do. I will need to extract this into my C drive. So let me open a new folder, Windows E. Can I open a new folder for you? I'm going to put them side by side so you can see. Let me go to this PC. We are going to the C drive. And then right here, we are going to create a new folder. All right. And then we're gonna call this folder Terraform. Terraform. And then we can save it. And then from the file that we downloaded, we can just extract, and then we can just browse to go to that folder that we just created. Let's see Terraform. This is that folder, and then we can extract it from there. Hit extract. And as you can see here, into our new folder, into the C drive, we have that terraform.exe. Now, before we move forward, let me just click on CMD, open the command prompt by typing CMD. And then if I were to type terraform dash version, you see that it's not recognizable because it's not installed yet. Now we have one last thing that we need to do is to add our path into the environment variable. So first thing I'm going to do, let me just go right here and copy the address. All right. And then I'm going to go to the search bar and type environment. Okay. Environment variable. Edit the system environment variables. You click on it. So let's look for the system variable. We can just environment variable right here, and then we are going to edit the system variable. In the system variable, we are going to look for the path. Okay, this is a path. You can open it, and then I'm going to add a new one here. Click on new, and then I can paste what I copied. C Terraform, and hit OK, and then apply. Now let me try it again. Terraform version. Let me close it and open it again. The command prompt. If I were to type Terraform version, as you can see, Terraform is successfully installed. Now, if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy learning.